Good morning, little one. Welcome you to the class of English literature. Today we are going to start a chapter which is related to the cruelty that is done on the animal. Now, the children, when you move out of your home, you might have seen there are bullock carts, lot of horses, lot of burdens loaded, lot of luggages. People are using them as means of transport from one place to another. So usually this cruelty is being done to many animals. We must have seen in zoo also, but now animals used in the zoo even not allowed to keep them the heavy weight on the animal. Now it is totally banned. So now this chapter is another example where we will see that this story is narrated or told by the horse, as the horse tells about the master will who we will study the chapter to know what happens in the story. So then the name of the chapter is Black Beauty, and this has been narrated by the horse. Horse is speaking the story. Horse initially starts with explaining that he has a master whose name is Mr. Douglas, and his mistress means his wife. They were very respectful. Everyone in the village respect them. Very kind. They were very soft, and the best part in both of them were they respect animal. They were against the cruelty done on any animals. So the horses say when he was living in Birtwick Hall, a kind of stable where this horse was living here. They were very happy because both of them used to take care of the horse, giving them food, and not only to him, to all the horses who were present at the Birtwick Hall. Now he tells that there was an incident one day. What happened? The horse and the master, they were coming from somewhere. They were about to reach a gate when they saw that there was a carter, a horse means pony, that was just being crossed, and the owner of the horse was very rude. So what happened? Suppose this is the horse. This is the horse and my owner is on me. We are going by there, we are going to the gate, and we saw that there is another small horse, baby horse, and somebody is sitting on it and they are just moving. Now what happened? That baby horse, instead of going other way, it turned and started coming with this horse, with the Douglas horse. Now that owner, that small horse owner, what he did, he immediately pulled it like this. You must have seen in movies, if you want to stop an animal from moving, bullock carts or buffaloes or horses, what do? We must have seen pulling a hop like, and then the animal pushed up and he suddenly stopped. So now children, you must be knowing that there is a small thing which is attached to their nose, which is attached to their nose or ear, which is the rope attached to their back. It is attached from nose and rope attached to the back and making pull the rope. Then they get pain there and then they stops. so that are known as chakrens. So this master was against this. He did not want the people to use this for the horses, because when you pull the rope, suppose one example, understand one thing, if I take a rope and I will wrap around your hand and your body and I continuously pull it with pressure, will you not feel pain? You will feel pain. So this chakrens is also part of the horse body that are attached and cause pain. So when the other owner held the rope like this, the horse was in pain. So both master and this horse, so they saw brutal treatment, means bad treatment. And then the master stops. That man, this is the first brutal treatment of pony that I am explaining. So that master called that man, come here, is this, have you behaving, is this the way that you are behaving with animal? Don't you think his body is made of flesh and blood and temper? So the other man said, yes, of course, because he was supposed to take a turn. Why did he take turn to your area? So I pulled him and can do anything that I want. So the master said this very cruelly. And you are not just showing cruelty towards animal, you are losing your own self-respect. What will people think of you? You don't have a heart, you are not a human. You are behaving like that with animals. You are ruining your own image. You are destroying your own image. You are doing wrong work, which is bad. Now that story went on, and the master and the horse again came back. But the horse realized that the master was sad because he see a very brutal treatment, very bad treatment of the horse. Now this horse tells the story that one day what happened, they were again going somewhere. Then they met a Captain Langley. He was a military officer. He was having a lot of horses with. So this person asks, Master, what do you say about my horses? See, I am a rich man. I have so many horses. Would you like to say something about them? Do I look rich, or my horses look good? So Mr. Douglas said, yes, your horses look very good. I am very sorry to see that you used chakrens on them. Why are you using chakrens? You are a military man. I know you want to have good soldiers. I know you want to be good people. But if we put a thread and a rope in the soldier's face, would you like it? You will not like it. If I put a thread or rope around your neck, do you like it? The Langley said, no, I would not like it. So Mr. Douglas said that you don't like it, then animals also don't like people's doing like that. Animals also have brains and heart. Animals also cry. So when you put this chakren on them, don't they feel bad? Now this was something that Langley understood. And then he stops using chakrens on the other horses. So this was the chapter all around, where the narrator of the story is horse and master and mistress was very kind. Thank you.